Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this is episode 4 of season 3. Guys, this is what we are doing in this episode, and at the end of the video I'll introduce the next episode, which is episode 5. So make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode. This is how the back looks like, and when I take it off the mannequin, this is how it looks like. I'm sure you can't wait to try this, right? So let's get right into the video. I'm using about 200 centimeters length of thread. I'm using 0.25 beading thread. So I've divided my thread into two, and I'm going to put 2 pearls on the 2 ends to put together. I believe that makes sense. So I've put the 2 ends together, and I'm passing 2 pearls through. I'm passing it through 2 pearls. Yeah, and I'm going to put my stoppers, 2 of my stoppers on it. This is how it looks like. Once I was done, this is the locker. This is how it looks like. So this is the locker I'll be using. It's in 2 parts, so I'm just going to open it real quick and use 1 pair. So there's 1 part of it. I'm just going to use that end, and I'm going to pass my thread through it, just like so. I went ahead to pass the thread back through the stoppers and the pearls. So you let go of the locker and you pass your thread back through the stoppers and the 2 pearls. Just like so. Now I'm going to press the stoppers very hard using my flat nose. So I'm just going to press it real quick. You press it hard, make sure it's hardly pressed so that when you get rid of your excess thread, your thread doesn't come off or your work doesn't ruin. So I'm just going to get rid of the 2 short threads, and then you remember this is how it looks like. Remember we divided it into 2, right? So we are just going to split open the other end and put needles on it. I went ahead to put needle on each thread, and this is how it looks like at this moment. Now I'm going to arrange my pearls on it. So I'm just going to pick 2 wine pearls. I'm using wine and white. So I'm going to pick 1 wine on the left, 1 wine on the right, and I'm going to cross thread with 1 white. So just like so. So I'm just going to repeat the process till I get to the length I want. It's basically that. So just watch closely, and when I have to come in, I'll come in. And don't forget, at the end of the video we'll introduce the next episode, so make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode. Enjoy the video, and please, if you really do enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode, which is episode 5, which I will introduce at the end of the video, is introduced. Thank you so much once again for stopping by my channel, and have fun, learn, and make money. Once I got to the length I want, I put the 2 needles together, and I'm going to put 2 of the pearls on it, just like we started earlier. So I'm just putting 2 of my pearls on the 2 needles. That's one, and I'm going to add another one. Now I'm just going to get rid of the needles. So this how it should look like at this moment. I just got rid of the needles, and I'm going to put my 2 stoppers on it. So these are the 2 stoppers, real quick. I went ahead to add the other half. You remember we divided it into 2, so there's the other half of the locker. I'm just passing my thread back through the stoppers and through the 2 pearls we picked earlier. You remember this how we started, right? So just the same thing we did before we started the actual work. Then you make sure your work is tight, very tight. So you tighten the thread, then you press the stoppers and get rid of the excess thread. And guys, that is it. Like, yeah, that is it. We are done. So I'm going to press the stoppers real quick. You can see I'm pressing it with my 2 hands, right? Yeah, so you have to make sure you press it really, really hard. And guys, I present to you episode 4. Guys, this is episode 4. I know you enjoyed the video, so if you really did, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when episode 5 is. And you know, like, I don't know what to say again, but subscribing is free. So guys, let's welcome episode 5. Yeah, so this is what we are doing in episode 5. We are doing this gorgeous design here. We are yet to finish it, so I'm just going to continue till the end. I wanted you to have a gist of what we'll be doing, so make sure you turn on your bell notification and you don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in episode 5. Bye.